Hi Quizmaker enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to spice up your quizzes with some interactive drop-down questions, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you on how to import drop-down type questions in your Quizmaker from Excel or CSV template. So, let's dive right in. The first step is to download the Quizmaker Question Importer template. You can find this template on Quizmaker Questions Importer Plugin settings page. Once you've got that, let's move on to the next step. Open up the template and in the question type column, select 4 drop-down type questions. The rest of the columns for data entry will be filled similarly to radio type questions. Now, proceed to fill in the essential details for your drop-down question. This includes the question title, question content, question image, question weight, question category, and question tags. Moving on to the options, fill in option 1 to option 5. If your answer options include images, make sure to fill in image option 1 to 5 accordingly. For cases where you want to put a specific points for answer options, fill the answer point column and separate with a pipe. In the correct answer column, assign the correct option number. For example, if option 4 is correct, fill in the number 4. Now, if you have optional wrong answer text, right answer text, question hints, or an explanation, go ahead and fill those in as well. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, save the template. Head over to the plugin settings page in your Quizmaker platform and upload the saved template. And there you have it. You've successfully imported drop-down questions into your Quizmaker. Now, let's jump into the Quizmaker and see how these imported questions look in action. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Quizmaker tips and tricks. Feel free to drop any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Until next time, happy quizzing!